Okay, so for anybody that's having an issue with no starting on a 2002 to 2007 Jeep Liberty, I'll show you. If you're getting this issue, where you turn the key and nothing happens, it's probably because the little starting pin right here is broken. So go ahead and take off the housing around your steering, and then this just lifts up on its own. And that'll be a T10 safety Torx. And to get the cover off, it's a T20, just regular Torx, down from beneath. And then you can pop this off. See right here, you'll see that mine's broke off right there. And that goes down inside there. So if you're having an issue with no start, that's probably the problem. And to take that off, it's just more T10 safety Torxes, 3 of them along here. Pop that down, get your replacement part, and pop it back in.